So I ate a banana yesterday.
What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another video. So today we are going to be playing epic mini games with my cousin here, Rata. And so today, we're just gonna be farming some wins, guys. And let's get right into the video. So guys, just saying, I'm gonna call Rata, I'm gonna call her roast beef, guys. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna call her roast beef. Okay, I'm lagging really bad with these fire things. What the heck are these fire things? Okay, so we're just gonna wait till we load in. Okay, we're in, guys. I think something's gonna fall from the sky or something. I've never played this. Okay. Oh. Okay. You can see from over here. Oh, you can see from the shadows actually. Just avoid the shadows. Okay, makes sense. Oh shoot! One spawned right under. Ah! Ah! Oh, this is so scary, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die! Ah! Oh my god! I'm gonna die! Ah! This is so scary. They're like big pepperoni balls falling from the sky. Oh my gosh. We almost died, guys. I didn't get hit once though, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for the next mini game to. Okay, we're back, guys, and this is like a sweeper game where we have to jump over this candy cane thing. So, yeah, okay, we have to survive for at least a minute. Oh my god, this fatty guy! Oh my god, look at this fatty guy next to me! Oh my god. Bro. I'm gonna try to dance every time. Oh my god! I didn't see it! No! 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 Why was I dancing? That was so dumb, guys. No, what the heck? Okay, guys, yeah, so, our next map is called laser tag, or no, our next game is laser tag, and so let's get, we're gonna find someone we can incinerate really fast. Oh god. Shoot, what? God, I'm gonna die, bro. Hey, let's go. Okay, we got one kill, guys. That has to be a kill. This guy's AFK. Let's go. 2 kills. No. 3 kills. Let's go. Oh, I see you, Brianna. Or I see you, roast beef. Fly. Roast beef. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, let's go. Got 5 kills, guys. 6 kills. Oh my god. 7 kills. 8 kills. 9 kills. 10 kills. Let's go. We need one more. Oh no, I thought I'd sniper. No. 12 kills, I think. Let's go! Oh, 11. Okay, I got the most kills, guys. Let's go. I think it's tags, I mean. Yeah, so I got the most kills, guys. Roast beef right there. Running around the map. Yeah, let's go. So we're just gonna wait for the next map to load up, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. And so we have to, like, I guess, to cannon and destroy their, Let's go! I killed someone. We can hide. Okay, they're on our team. No, I'm on the red team. Noob! Die! Die, noob! Let's go! Let's go. Go. Oh, she's on our team. Are they dead? Are they all dead? Oh, they're all up there, bro. There's like 10 people up there, or 2, I mean. They're all up here, bro. They're gonna kill me. Oh shoot, they're killing me. I'm glad I don't take fall damage. Let's go. I have to kill him. Bro, they're all camping up there. Let's go. Up, up. Yes, roast beef. Let's go. Hey. Okay, so yeah, so we're just gonna wait for the next map to load up, guys. Okay, guys, we're in right now. So yeah, so we're just gonna have to. Oh, I love this so much. Headquarters. It's a good song actually. That guy's floating. Oh my gosh, he's floating. He's like lagging. What the heck? He's never made it yet. Oh shoot. I like this song actually. Pump it up. Rock, rock, pump it up. I mean cringe. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with this game? I think it's gonna be red after. What? What the heck is this doing? It's trying to troll us. Yes, let's go! Hey, okay, that was actually really easy. She, with the controller, I guess, like kept going. What the heck is this guy? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, pork chop. Or no, I mean roast beef. You're doing it in caps. Okay, so we're just gonna wait till it doesn't work in caps. Chance doesn't work in caps. So we're just gonna. Oh yes, I'm so god at this game. Default and you just have to dodge the obstacles that are coming from the sides and the top. Why are they just coming off the side? Oh my god. Oh. Gosh. Gosh, you're gonna die. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm lagging, bro. Die. Oh! Shoot! Or no, roast beef. Are you alive? How did that guy just die? Almost died. Oh my god! These are coming really fast now. Let's go! Guys, we're back in this mini. You have to freeze the whole other team, I guess. So yeah, let's get going. So we're in the middle map right now, or we're in the middle of the map, and you can't behind. Let's go. Oh yes, let's go. I froze her. Look at her. Look at her. She's stuck in the ground. I'm gonna die going through that. Noob attack. Okay, this place is deserted. I wonder if anyone respawns here. Do they? You guys tell me in the comments below because I'm such a noob at this game, guys. Oh my god, I remember this noob in the ground. Oh, they're all camping up there. Okay, they're frozen. Let's go. See them all frozen. Yeah, so let's do another mini game and let's end this video or that video there. Brianna, get out of his body, please. Get out of his body, please. Okay, there, that's better. Okay, so we're just gonna wait till our next mini game teleports us. Okay, we're in Oh my god, I'm so full. I love killing black. Yes. Let's go. Come on. You gotta camp at the side and then you gotta kill the last one. Oh. Right here. Right here. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna go for Lobster Boy. Let's go for Lobster Boy. Let's go. Oh, Lobster Boy's